Chairman Drew, Mamma Post and I'm cousin. NPP for President Nanado, Vice President Alhaji Dr. Bawumia, Chief of Staff, parliamentarians in Parliament NPP for Chief Justice, Attorney General Dami, Dampare, one won't crop for her, make come papa, make come nana, se mu jai pa mama mi way free and some mo kofi fania maybe law kobo botai de be ya law me ye jai Aisha won ye do nyame se MPP mo mapa wo de da ye be ya ne dia ye be ya no ye be bubu bibia ye so de gas ye be bubu Abraham kura nya jimi fo abe ye de da ye ne ye nya ye be nya be bubu mu jai mo ho ama Aisha won ye no political because ade na aba no instead of Ghana ni me ne wo ye be ma ya dwena to so se de bi o and this be MPP be politics, but we have to solve the problem. Now, Mamu di bri and so Ebeyan and this MPP, and I win at the buy, and I win at the coy, and I win every patrioti, and I win not so much jai or bow way maniko. And let me read the publication be Menquatia, I say, Aisha one is married to a Ghana businessman into the end. But why the Ghana businessman to the end? Now, Modia Monko Bonotroka. Most NDC for born to come premier yate. MPP for Mutie. Most under NDC no ya born to come premier eka honu obe yet me nya fa hu dia be disa ankwase asemi. Sese ya shamonsa. Intimo dia mommotai. Oh. Aha, na mundi de men. Na mun kwatena court ho. Na mun kwaka brofo akese ni ye njai ashawa se ye fa nu nkonu kurom. Because who Ghana ni na nka wo call China. Ekofa abo free China de ba ya ye ni mu a anke de ubetum one na catch us China for ni mineral one na catch us say wo muso mu ni agudie adan na wo mo agudie no wo muntu adan na wo mu die wo muntu na Ghana for ye chipping ye ho sika kakra na ade anya nwanwa ye whole airport etumi de kodi $7 billion ye twemu ye betua 21 okoka ankrofo say bring Mahama back na me betua tuamoka mo sankrofo ni na na me betua tuamoka because Mama Yahoo said, no kura, me say, and ya genepa and the same with Trimusa Mopes and Mubedi mines. No, said the Abaya Mubaba dear main. Mon Feria dear. Ghana for Yen Feria dear. Because when you have a former president, and yes, won't be idea though, with the idea that will be the idea keke. There be will be in the system of governance for 12. Papa, I course no on to no position on you because you say what the net na governance in this one want to mean function. Is somebody following me? When Mr. President Mahama is on the seat, he doesn't know his left or his right, and you cannot blame him because the man in my first school d'etat can say, "Adia, the challenge is how to make up his mind." You see how our young boy is to me better than the contract. Emani good amembu. Because or not, won't try to meet me with the American, you know, unready, I can say unready. My first school d'etat, Mahamani Buka, or no atro, ye, who you been ready, ya, contact me, ya, the Bama say, Miss Anna, my enemy, me do no one anymore. Or say, one no, idea, thing, we are some man is making up his mind, say, oh, take a decision. Go and read it and tell me, say, you're trying to meet you, and I watch him and do. When you be on no country now say making a decision is hard for him. Now would be yes, president here. What makes me make any decision of his own to even benefit anybody?
Oh, David.
Or say or no, what the idea to anywhere to say they are what bike away, bicycle so. Now wouldn't I see go to no one free?
Or your John Funu.
Or no, answer the cash or your John Funu.
Or your John Funu forever.
So what you say? Now me no Ghana for me say me tiasio. Me say mono Mahama no me nimpania or de wo bi ni mu ansa wo fidi so. Me tiasie one bon number. Chiakai e ba no abembuo mu Mahama one bon number. Wasa thinking outside the box was never his forte. Ne de say yankwaji medi. IMF abete moto. Eno so mo meka sa ho. Afa de IMF na. Na mwanka se mu use mu figures 2022 ya Edi mia Ghana no. Afedi ya mahama mpe IMF wa assemble. Adentia IMF wa kokano kure. IMF wa Sami Jenfinum di ye dede. Erikeje sorry a waya na expense sabe. Eyi apotraye hu ne to. No ebegyina ho. No wedi Akufo-Addo atemu no okọ. No mo di IMF Bloomberg IMF ene de Bloomberg ne IMF de ba de yesi da bi ene omo aya. And obi se wonya bi ndi enti sa de obekwa koto abeti Akufo-Addo. Me ni ade na wonya abotre. Because these NDC people has nothing good for us. They claim they had their pink sheets, ended up chasing people in Techima South. Me mo be a reading for that time. No mo kaya. And Yakunipa 5 president no kran the first time one president accepted or no say on the way winning or can I say the little pockets of things are unfortunate incidents you see or Bompire said appropriate agencies will take it on and investigate. Go and read. It was in his house. Go and watch that video. Now NDC for the year propaganda and Crawford he doesn't care. Now the other shoe minister says answer na yebekwa election na nkasa no na NDC for ekoku nkrofo 5 dada o e Ashanti region yes ye ko de ya we say the first rally de ye omu ne omeyi omu koto so omu nkwasi anwom no wo ho no wo mu ko rally na sebi anti Cynthia sebio tipa truck ya ye defend nua timber nua ka ye defend nipa ko rally say nya moja na apeso ko hwiegu because you take Ghanaians for cheap na ye me ya. Because despite Banko for Saka and being called rally, Mahama Banko Fubi, Akufo-Addo Banko Fubi, Banko Fubi, Pan Ekofro, Don Canonum, Yanum ya Asrafo, Bobo Diolaso boys, Yadi Yanteshi, Yebedia say, a Jimmy Semnan, ye de Benante, Yama minimum nibi, Suyen, ye qua, ne a cocon toqua, ye is a tramo, ne with Jimmy, ne ye hand, one bassa. Yang no mbenya yang de atna tipa truck so say enkokuyen. Google that, check it and see. It's a daily guide. Check the Ghana news. Check it. Before election, so and no ni enyankwa yesi ye ko rally. Mr. Mahama ba ye kosiano no na yasesa innocent ni penum e de yagutim bandua ka mu say yenko ni yenko yenhwe mojengo. And at the NDC for in any of their report. Yan fair non tonchen. On the day of election, some kai DSC ya first year 2 year ewo Ghana that day eto wo do constituency. Some kai Otomana na watu amani lante vanda boy. Afia say Debbie na nyonwa. Oh Debbie man can ye cry. Debbie. Nilante vanda boy dia me de yade. Montoma, it was that constituency. Say we fear. Me say me bringing it back, so you cannot come and stand here and pretend it didn't happen in Ghana. No be na betina no person kawa trobi. Before I bring content to you, I make sure that the content I'm bringing can be verified. That is how I moved, and that is how I will always move. No go checking first year 2 year. And no is Adam, ya arrested Neil and Tevanda Point. And this if we no, ya chain on the boys because and the boys need to you. Yes, a time I asked NPP are winning, one we are winning, no, and a German Munano, your man, you can NPP for boys, no. Paku, ye, me no survival, ye. And yet the boys need now call police station. Go and check. Sameboa. Yantis this for Bosuda. What ye? A bro must say, young penny a bear demonstration in Nano. 14-year-old girl, I assume will be 15. No, enough for baby. And this is from penny, or Baba Sebi, because in Quadrado movie be your maybe General DB, a Tuakasa king. And this piano one no negard for you, but with the ballistics, no, or no negard for you, and the cool Saba. What is NDC for boy that Debbie? Now, so near Nam taking myself. Tintinia Mundia Kunyana Mayan, Mundia Kunyana Maya by force, Oba Kuyan Crow 4-5, Munya Kunyana Mayan. As if say one crow for no mutu mufufu city, and your bone it you. Na nyawawa, because the winner party, Nasiru Muhammad Womo catcher say, see a Kunipa Krani at the Aji power. Now Power Kunipa at the Aji power. That is what will happen. They claimed they had the pink sheet, went to Techima and South with Bevlo Latte to go and threaten the EC official there. Say, oh, I said, why were you people there? Oh, we had our pink sheet, but we were going to see the declaration sheet. If you have your pink sheet, the primary document, what would the declaration sheet do for you? And you're shame. But because they wanted to give their followers false hope, young got that down because they be a mecca. Now, minim se Chairman Drew was a video now. First interview, Mahama and the Ghanaian people have spoken, and no attempt should be made to subvert the will of the people. We've won the parliament, and we Osheni pause where we need anymore. Say, bra, trust no worry.